Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set live wallpapers on your PC. Firstly, you can get Lively Wallpaper from either the Microsoft Store or the official developer's homepage. Just search for Lively Wallpaper on Google and you'll find the resources to download it. Now after the download finishes, install the app if you're using the developer version or just click Open if you downloaded it from the Microsoft Store as I did. You can also search for Lively Wallpaper in the Start menu. Once launched, you'll see Lively's library with 12 built-in live wallpapers. Simply click on any wallpaper to set it as your animated desktop background. Some wallpapers are interactive. Try triangles and light, which changes color with mouse movement, or periodic table lets you tap on elements to learn about them. You can add your own videos, websites or GIFs as a wallpaper. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.